Alright guys, we're letting it warm up. I had some electrical issues, the fan wasn't kicking on, so got that squared away, but we're up to temp, and I'm going to give it a quick rev. I raised the rev limiter to 6,500 so we can give it a good rev from inside the car. So 1 second here. Idle hangs a little bit. I'll do a data log for the tuner, but it comes back down. Yeah, we'll see what that little idle hang is. I'll do a data log for him. I mean, I'm not too worried about it. It's a race car, but anyway. So let's give it one more. Yeah, the idle's hanging. And the wife just pulled up, so she's not going to want to hear that racket. All right, guys, there you go.